Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will provide you with a full guide on how to disable vibration in Telegram calls. If you find the vibration during calls to be distracting or unnecessary, this guide is for you. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Step 2. Locate and tap on the 3 stacked lines in the top left corner. This will open the menu options. Step 3. From the menu, select Settings and scroll down to find Notifications and Sounds. Tap on it to access the settings related to your notification preferences. Step 4. Within the settings, scroll down to find the Calls section. Tap on it to access the call-specific settings. Step 5. In the Calls settings, locate the option for Vibrate. Tap on it to open the vibration settings for calls. Step 6. Finally, tap on Disable to turn off the vibration during Telegram calls. By following these simple steps, you can easily disable the vibration in Telegram calls, ensuring a more peaceful and distraction-free calling experience. We hope this guide has been helpful in understanding how to disable vibration in Telegram calls. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful Telegram tutorials and guides. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the tranquility of vibration-free Telegram calls.